Hi, this is Shay with Trucks to Sales. Here today looking at this 2013 Peterbilt 367 4-axle vacuum excavation truck. So we just put this one together here, all fully refurbished, and this is on a super low mileage chassis. All the stuff on the chassis is almost like new as well. Forgot the mileage off the top of my head, but something like 40,000 miles, something like that. Then we got a remanufactured blower in there, new suspension on the steerable lift axle. Tried to lighten this thing up a little bit. These things come out really heavy, and we tried pushing the tank a little more forward. So you can see we did this rear bumper just super lightweight, so you can at least haul some kind of debris in here. And this is a Tornado vacuum unit with the debris tank and the partial water tank in there. You can see the two leveling gauges there on the side. We re-epoxy coated this whole thing as well on the inside. Definitely looking nice with it on this Peterbilt. Nice royal blue Peterbilt color. We got all this stuff hooked up here. Automatic hose reel, hydraulic tank in here. We just got the used control box, but we have an option for a new one as well. Here's a brand new water pump, hydraulic powered, so you can adjust the pressure on that. But definitely nice setup here, and we got the used control panel there, and we also set this up with a remote control. So remote control powers that boom, and all the features right here on the hydraulic system. Definitely nice setup here. We'll go ahead and pop the hood on this thing just so we can see how fresh this engine is. And we actually have one more of these 367s right now. These ones just didn't get used a lot. They were parked at some oil field company that didn't really use them that much. You can see this engine here. Thing is immaculate. Even take a look at this stock turbocharger and exhaust manifold. Thing's barely even been heated. A lot of these are a lot more rusty just from the heat. And that's all original here. So a little bit of dust on it, but super clean setup. We'll go ahead and take a look in the cab now. Super clean truck. There we go, 46,000 miles on this one. 18 speed. Super nice truck. This one had a sleeper on it. We removed the sleeper as well. Needed a truck with the long frame to accommodate all this stuff, but definitely came out nice here. This is Shay with Trucks to Sales. Thanks for viewing. Please visit our website at www.truckstosales for more information. Thank you.